Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to unlock the triangle egg yolk and pork Zongzi recipe in Heartopia. So right now, Heartopia has a new event that called Dragon Boat Festival, and then in here you can cook any new special food for this event, and one of them you can cook the triangle egg yolk and pork Zongzi. And to cook this food, first you need to unlock the recipe first, and to unlock this recipe is very easy. First just go to your stove, and then next just choose the original recipe of this triangle plain rice zongzi, this one. So make sure you already have the recipe. You can buy this recipe at the exchange store. And then in here for the ingredients you need the bamboo leaf, that you can get this from the exchange store too. And then for the patty you can get it from the gardening hobby, that you can get the seed at the NPC blank. And then for next for the ingredient, just exchange it to egg and then meat. So for this recipe, for this egg yolk and pork zongzi, you need the bamboo leaf, and then patty, and then egg and meat. And then after that, just simply tap start cooking like this, and then just cook the zongzi. And just like that, you will successfully making the triangle egg yolk and pork zongzi, and from here you will automatically unlock the recipe. This one, the recipe will be unlocked automatically, and it will add it to your recipe list. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.